Hey everyone, Tommy Jordan here. So this is the Air Hogs Flight Rider. We're going to open up right now and see what all it comes with here. Controller. Instructions. Push that in. It's all plastic. You have to push pretty hard. Get in. There you go. And now that will stay up, like so. The charger. Opens easily. And there we go. There's our drone. Two AAA batteries. There's the on-off switch and charge. Turn on the little motorcycle. And he's got really cool lights there. So what's cool about this is you can race around the room. And that's kind of cool. You can chase your kitty cats. Go forward, right, or left, and you can take off by either going up or pressing the button. I'm going to hit the button. Up it goes. And it flies pretty good. It's kind of cool watching it fly. I do recommend that you do level 2 for this thing. I don't recommend level 1. Level 1, I just don't like it. I was flying around the level 1 and... Oh, okay. All right, ready? I'll be right back. You're funny. You can probably take off from your hands too. There it goes. Alright. Turn it around. So it does some nice tricks. I like the tricks a lot. This looks cool. I like the fact that you can... Something else I've noticed is the flight time for this is not that long. Alright. So I'm going to go forward and I'm going to take off at the same time. Yeah, just like that. And I can come back. So you can see it flies pretty good there. My only concern with this little guy though is because the blades are exposed like they are. Hold on here. Yeah. It will hurt if it hits. And you might not want to have that happen. Let me try again. So if you look here, the blades though are exposed. So my concern is for a young kid, these will hurt when it hits because they're to the side. It'd be nice if it had some kind of a guard on the outside, so that is a concern. And I already got some more hair picked up on the blade. Look at that already. Look at that. I already picked up more hair. Oh my gosh. Before you fly, check all the blades, make sure they're clear. So you have your stunt button here, and you have your beginner flight mode, which is level 1 and level 2. Now this is also your speed. There is no slow, medium, or high speed. It's just speed 1 or speed 2. And speed 2 also gives you greater controllability of the drone. Only concern I have is getting it to stop. I've noticed at level 1, when I tried to bring the throttle down, it doesn't stop right away at level 1. That's what I've noticed, where level 2, the throttle tends to stop more quickly. So I do recommend level 2 again. I'm just going to take off. This just looks so cool. So I think it's a super cool drone. This one's ready for landing. And there you go. So that's how it lands. So not a bad little drone. I kind of like it. It's a fun little novelty drone. And I think it'd be kind of cool if they made it with like a light cycle format, like a Tron quadcopter drone. That'd be kind of cool. But again, like I said, my concern is that I think for a young kid, you're going to get hit. If it hits you, it'll hurt. And I wish it had some guards around the blades, but otherwise it flies pretty good. It's a lot of fun. Got Dark links for you below, so check that out. I'm Tommy Drone. Thanks for watching. Air Hogs Flight Rider. Pretty cool little drone. So if you're looking for a fun toy, pretty cool. I don't recommend this for the young kids because, like I said, you probably can get hurt. But just flying around, it is fun. I have to admit, and it is kind of cool. Yeah.